Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to choose the best milk pump for your daily routine and what things mothers should consider before buying one. Many mothers feel confused when choosing a pump because there are different types available. Some are manual, some are electric, and each works differently depending on your daily routine and comfort. If you only pump occasionally or need something simple for travel, a manual pump may feel easier and more convenient. It is lightweight, quiet, and easy to carry outside the home. For mothers who pump regularly, an electric pump may save more time and feel more comfortable during daily use. Many mothers prefer electric pumps because they help maintain a steady rhythm during sessions. Comfort is one of the most important things while choosing a pump. A pump should feel gentle and easy to use instead of causing discomfort during sessions. It is also helpful to choose a pump that is easy to clean and assemble. A simple setup can make daily routines much easier and less stressful. Noise level can matter too, especially for mothers pumping at night or at work. Many mothers prefer quieter pumps for a more relaxed experience. Portability is another important factor. If you travel often or pump outside the home, a lightweight and easy to carry pump may work better for your lifestyle. Before choosing a pump, think about your daily routine comfort and how often you plan to pump. The best pump is usually the one that fits naturally into your routine. With the right pump and a comfortable routine, pumping can become much easier and more manageable over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.